Hey everyone, today I'm going to address some of the questions I've gotten about two products I'm super excited about for the ACE and Spirit. They are the bolt-on electronics tank and battery box. A little while back, I released an electronics tank for the VT750 ACE and Spirit. And before that, I released a bolt-on battery box for the same bikes. I posted some pictures of both those products. Some people were like, what is that? Why do I need it? You don't really see a whole lot of VT750 chops just because there's not a whole lot of stuff out there to make the bikes look totally rad. So I've created a bolt-on electronics tank which also can accommodate your coils, because if you've ever experienced pulling the stuff out from underneath the Honda Shadow seat, you realize that your coils are, they don't have a home anymore and they're mounted underneath there. So one coil is mounted up on the frame, the other one is underneath the seat, but what do you do with that? So I've actually created coil mounts that are optional, that bolt onto the electronics tank, as well as a battery box that bolts on to the lower portion of the seat support. And that battery box accommodates an anti-gravity AG801 small case size battery. The stock battery is massive and weighs way too much. Maybe in the future I'll devise a box to hold the stock battery, but I'm really not interested in providing things for people that are kind of sucky. So yeah, that's why I haven't made a stock battery box yet. So if you want to come on over here, I'm going to show you up close how this bolts into your frame and what you're going to need to do to get this tank into your bike. We have the electronics tank, which both sides have a removable cap. It bolts on with two stainless steel button head bolts here. And below it, we have the bolt-on battery box right here, which is super easy to put in, bolts in with included hardware, and this strap bolts to the seat support right here. You can mount it a little higher up. As you can see, there's some tabs underneath here, right here and here. You're going to want to bend one of these down to get the electronics tank in. The lower one, you don't really have to do anything with, but you don't need them now, so you can cut them off if you choose to do so. So now you're probably wondering how this bolts into the bike and the frame without any modification or fabrication. Come on over here to the top side, and I'm going to show you how. So the tank mounts in to 4 stock tabs that are already welded into your frame. Once you take all the stuff out underneath the seat, you're going to see those. You can see on the back of the tank here, you've got 2 brackets bolted in. These are coil mounts. This is an optional add-on you can get for the tank. Makes mounting your coils super easy using the pre-drilled holes in each bracket. For the coil mounts, if you're going to get these the coil mounts with your e-tank, I highly recommend getting the custom length ignition wire set that we offer, which will allow you to run the ignition wiring from the coils all the way up to the front of the bike where your spark plugs are. When you get your e-tank, you're going to see 2 holes in the bottom, and a lot of people think there's drain holes. Yeah, sure they can be, but these bolt holes are specifically to mount your regulator rectifier. They are exactly spaced for the mounting holes on that regulator rectifier unit. So you don't ever want to put a regulator rectifier inside your electronics tank. It needs fresh air, needs to be exposed. As with the coils, that's why I made the coil mounts on the outside. Anybody who tells you coils and regulator rectifier can go inside a tank, not so good, because heat and electronics, as we know, not really good bedfellows. So you can mount your regulator rectifier using stock hardware or some nuts and bolts from your local hardware store, as well as the coils on the outside of the tank. I really hope that this video has answered your questions about these 2 awesome products that I've made. And if you like this video, click that like button. If you want to see more of this stuff, definitely hit the subscribe. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Do fun shit.